Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to sign out of Call of Duty Mobile on your iPhones. It's actually really simple and easy to do. So I'm just going to head over to the Call of Duty Mobile application really quick. And then I'm just going to exit out of here and go back to the main area that we're all used to seeing, which is this right here. Now to log out of your account, you just want to go to the settings bar. So just up near the middle of the screen, you see that little settings gear that says link to your social account. You want to click on that settings gear and then go over to the legal and privacy tab. And then you'll see at the bottom of the legal and privacy tab, there's a button to log out there. All you have to do is click on log out, and then it will ask you if you want to confirm, so just click on OK, and then that will log you out of your account. You can then create a new one or log into a different account right here. I really hope I was able to help you guys out. We'll show you guys how to log out on this application. If this helps you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.